Bond prices have been sliding, but bond-like stocks appear to have found a floor. Here to discuss is Trading Nation team Wald of Oppenheimer and Erin Gibbs of S&P Global. Erin, let's start with you. What do you make of this?
So yes, the bond proxy stocks have recovered slightly, but when you look at the relative performance to the overall index, they really have been greatly underperforming. And so when you look at the days where bond yields increased, those are the days that also the bond proxies decreased, their prices fell as well. It's really on those days where the yields were either flat or decreasing that we see this difference in divergence where the stocks actually go up more. But they're still stocks, they're not bonds, and ultimately they're greatly underperforming the overall stock market. So I think they can continue to go up, but they're going to continue to underperform as long as we see these low yields.
Erin, what do you think? A floor?
We agree with Erin's assessment there that it's really a debate between absolute price and relative price. Now, in absolute terms, we believe that these bond proxies, take for instance the utility spider, ticker XLU, is finding a floor. It's oversold into support. This is where we'd expect it to start to base. But what we found is that this backup in rates is really correlated more to their relative performance. And I think while they find this floor, I think most likely they underperform a rising equity market. If you look at the XLU relative to the S&P 500, that trend is much weaker. It's been making lower highs for a number of years, and we think that long-term downtrend is set to continue. Interesting enough, this is very similar to what we saw in 2013 in the aftermath of the 2013 taper tantrum. Those bond proxies found a floor in the summer of 2013. They were still at those same levels 6 months later in December, and in that intervening time period, they underperformed a rising S&P 500. We think a similar roadmap should play out over the coming months.
Okay, so equity is a little bit more attractive. Erin and Erin, thank you so much for joining us, and thank you for watching us on Trading Nation today. I'm Susan Lee.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.